Change the compass orientation between a north heading, forward facing, and 3D bird's eye view in the upper left corner of the display. Pinch or spread your fingers on the touchpad to adjust zoom, or by selecting the plus or minus tabs located to the bottom left corner of the display. To search for an address, select the magnifying glass below the compass, then select search, followed by the address or point of interest. After entering the address, if that is the right location, there is an option to save it or just select go. After selecting go, here you can edit the route to avoid specific road options, also view 3 different routes and view the turn list. After selecting OK and the route is being guided to you, you can find a detour and also mute the voice guidance using the icons above the zoom. When you need to cancel the route, select the X icon to the right of the ETA tab. Located below the search icon is the map options. Here you can turn on and off POI icons that you will see while you're driving, posted speed limit, traffic information, route trace, and more map options. More search options include destination assist, view favorites, view recent, locate emergency authorities, and more. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at Lexus of Orange Park, 7040 Blanding Boulevard, 904-777-5100.